Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about present continuous. It's the same already we are discussed in the previous class. So it's a continuation of that tense. See, we can say present continuous words, present progressive. So in that tense, we are going to learn about what are the positive sentences and what are the negative sentences and what are the question forms of this tense. So I explain you. Please listen to me carefully and write it down, please, after finishing the class. So in the present tense continuous, you are writing on the like a positive sentence like this. I am. See here. I am walking. Don't like this. Don't follow this first one. This is after I am going to explain about this. Right now, I am working. This is positive sentence. And we are working. You are working. They are working. See, and this is a separate one because they are called present, simple present singulars. You know, he is working. She is working. It is working because it's here. It means maybe computer is working like this. And while writing negative forms in the same tense, I am not working. We are not working. You are not working. And they are not working. He is not working. She is not working. And it is not working. And how to make a question form this tense? Simply see here. Here I am is there, you know, in the position I am is there. If you twist it, or it may be if you turn the subject to be form. See here, am I? Here I am is there, but here in the question form, am I working? That means nenu work chestunana and meaning vastundi manaki. So also, are we working? Here you are writing actually here, I am working, but in the question form, am I working? And we are working. Are we working? But should definitely put question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't remember. Don't forget this about. And you are working in positive form. Are you working in question tag? Are you working? So also, are they working? Is he working? Because these are the third forms of the subjects. Is he working? Is she working? And is it working? Right? See once again, this is the negative. Negative means not only. If you add sentence before the verb form, if you add not, that becomes the negative form. See, I am working, I am not working. You are working, you are not working. So this is the format of the positive, negative and question tags. So, and verbs are, I think, two types. They are action verbs and state verbs. State means they tell about our mental ability or our mentality or our feelings also. They are called state verbs. So I wrote here some of the state verbs. So they never follow ing form. You should not write in the present continuous. They always follow in simple present tense only. Right? These state verbs are, we should not use in present continuous tense. But I wrote here to say about these tenses or verbs. They should always actually write in simple present only. See here examples. I am having a car. I am having a car and we are feeling happy now. They are loving their parents. You are hating others. He is observing something. She is thinking seriously. It's also observing. It is observing me, for example. So actually these are all wrong, you know. Why? Because these are the mental status, that is mental status or the feelings of our persons. So you should not write this loving, or you have to write it only, example, write them only. I am having, not like this. I have a car. See, we are feeling, it's wrong. We feel. We feel happy. And they are loving their parents. It's not continuous, you should not write this in the continuous form. They love their parents. Right? And you are hating others. Don't say you are hating. You hate others. And he is observing something. Don't write like this. He observes others. And she is thinking something seriously. So she thinks seriously. She thinks seriously, not she is thinking. And it is observing, same as it's also not observing, it observes. It observes me. So these are the stative verbs. So they don't write, you don't write them in continuous form. You should write only in the present tense, simple present, right now. Okay. Let's stop here. Please remember all these sentences and keep you in your mind, and better practicing at your home on your own some sentences, and you can write some sentences in a paper and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, and in the next class we are going to explain you about present perfect tense. So until now, you can take care of your health and don't go outside because it's very pandemic situation. So be at home and safe at home. Thank you.